Welcome back. GMC will not run without water for even a single minute henceforth. Francis D'Souza, the new health minister, is on a mission to revamp state medical services. D'Souza said every individual residing in Goa for the last 5 years is a Goan and entitled for the new medical insurance scheme. He has asked for the list of vacancies of paramedical and other staff in Directorate of Health Services and GMC. D'Souza spoke to media at the Goa State Advocacy meeting on deaf-blind awareness on Tuesday.
I asked the Director of Health Services and the Medical College to give me the list of vacancies available. We will try to fill them as fast as possible. We are going for a universal insurance. Universal insurance means everybody will be covered. So those who are not covered will have to think differently. The fact is, facilities in Goa for Goans. Now who is a Goan is anybody who resides in Goa for more than 5 years. I have told the doctor in charge, that is the superintendent of Goa Medical College, to see that the hospital doesn't run out of water supply even for 1 minute. I am using the word even for 1 minute, not for hours or days. So that should take care of half the problems,
what about
not all the problems.
Power supply?
Power supply is also an issue. Hygiene is another issue, cleanliness outside and inside.
Deputy CM and Health Minister Francis D'Souza attended the Goa State Advocacy meeting on deaf-blind awareness.
Awareness, people have to care. People like Caritas also should access that handbook and see what schemes are available. I can assure you that this 22 people by the next year, that is, if I am called again on this day, on the Deaf and Blind Day, I'll see that all 22 will get the scheme.
Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Phonecars have opposed treatment to the Ebola patients at Ponda Sub-District Hospital. Locals also oppose cremating dead bodies of such patients in the Ponda Municipal Crematorium. People demand that the treatment to the Ebola patients and the burial should be done at an isolated place. Various youth clubs, block committees and self-help groups held a morcha in Ponda on Tuesday opposing government's move. The government is yet to take final call on notifying such a ward in Ponda Sub-District Hospital.
आमच्या IT हॉस्पिटल म्हणजे जे आम्ही सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांत जे 10 रूम घेतल्यात आणि हे 10 रूम घेतल्यानंतर तेणी म्युनिसिपालिटीची मसण घेतल्या बारकणची म्युनिसिपालिटीची मसण घेतलेली आसा ही मसण जी आसा ती मसण जी म्हणजे मनीस मरतलोच हे खात्रीन ते घेतलेले आसा ते लासपाक म्हणून आमची अर्दी मसण ही घेतलेली आसा पूण हे असले आमकां नाका कारण पयलू हांगसर खंय तरी लोक मनीस मेलो गोंयांत जाल्यार हे कुत्र्यान घास मारलो रेबीज जाल्लो जाल्यार हांव फोंडे घातले म्हणून आमी फोंडे ते हॉस्पिटल मोडून आमी नवें हॉस्पिटल म्हणल्यार डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल म्हणून आतां जर गोंया खंय मेल्यार कुत्र्याक हांगा हाडटाले कुत्र्याचे मनीस घास मारता तेका पूण रेबीज जाल्ले मनीस कित्याक कोणाक ताका लागली जाल्यार ताका इंजेक्शन घेतल्यार तो बरो जाता पूण हेका ते मेडिसीन ना आनी अशे मनीस तर हांगा हाडले इबोला म्हणटा जगार खंय तो ते पेशंटाक जो मनशा इफेक्ट जातलो तो मनीस तर हांगा एअरपोर्टार मेळ्ळो किंवा कसो आनी कसो येयलो जाल्यार तांकां फोंडे हाडटले मागणी आसा की गव्हर्मेंटान एक आयलंड किंवा नाल्यार एक बोट खंयची घेवन ते बोटीचेर ट्रिटमेंट करचे आनी ते लासपाचे ते हांगा फोंडे आमचे मसणी ते खंय तरी एक पोरणे खुबश्यो ह्या सरकारान जे आसा ते मायनींग जे आसा ते मायनींग बंद केले काय खुबश्यो जे आसा हे बार्जी ज्यो आसा ते बेकार आसा ते खंयचे पोरणे बार्ज घेवन तेणी तितून लासपाचे हांगा नाका.
The state is preparing itself to tackle Ebola epidemic as a precautionary measure. The word is out that around 10 wards are being reserved for the Ebola patients in Ponda District Hospital. Also that the dead bodies of Ebola would be cremated at Ponda Municipality Crematorium. Though the decision is not official as yet, the Phonecars are panicked with government's probable move. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.